Hello and welcome back to Travel Assurance NZ. If you're new here, I'm really glad you found this channel. If you've been dreaming of working in New Zealand but don't know how to start, today's video might be exactly what you need. Many foreigners hoping to work in New Zealand often struggle with one thing: finding employers that can actually sponsor their visa. So in today's video, I'll be showing you 3 official recruitment agencies in New Zealand that are accredited by Immigration New Zealand and can connect you to real visa sponsorship jobs. These are not random listings. These are verified agencies that work directly with accredited employers across different industries, like construction, healthcare, agriculture, manufacturing, logistics, and hospitality. I'll explain how each agency works and how you can increase your chances of landing a sponsorship job even while you're still living outside New Zealand. So make sure you watch till the end, because I'll also share some smart tips on how to communicate with recruiters the right way so you don't get ignored. Now, let's get started. But first, what is an accredited employer? For the sake of those who do not know, an accredited employer is a company approved by Immigration New Zealand under the Accredited Employer Work Visa (AEWV) scheme. These employers can legally hire overseas workers under certain work visa types. If a job is offered by an accredited employer, the employer can support your visa application. This is what we mean by visa sponsorship in many cases. Official tools to find accredited employers and jobs. Here are official sources and tools you should use. A. Immigration New Zealand, Accredited Employer List. Immigration New Zealand, or INZ, maintains a tool on their website, immigration.gov.nz, where you can search for employers who are accredited. Use this tool before applying to any job that says visa sponsorship. Type in the company name or the New Zealand business number, NZBN. If it's on the list, that's a good sign. If not, either the employer is not accredited or has chosen not to be published, or sometimes not all are published. B. Job boards that only list jobs from accredited employers. There is a job board called NZ Visa Jobs, nzvisajobs.co.nz. According to its FAQ, all employers listed are accredited by INZ and open to considering migrant candidates. This means jobs here are more likely to offer visa sponsorship. Can recruitment agencies really help you get sponsored work in New Zealand? Before we go into the list, let's make one thing clear. Not all recruitment agencies in New Zealand hire foreigners from overseas. Many focus only on local workers already living in the country. But there are some trusted recruitment agencies that do help international candidates find jobs with employers who are accredited by Immigration New Zealand. These agencies understand the Accredited Employer Work Visa, AEWV, process. They work with employers who are open to hiring skilled or unskilled workers from overseas, and they often help with visa documentation, interviews, and settlement support. So yes, it is possible to find sponsorship jobs in New Zealand through recruitment agencies, if you use the right ones and follow the correct process. Now let's look at 3 trusted recruitment agencies you can use today to find visa sponsorship jobs in New Zealand. 1. Friends Recruitment and Immigration. Let's start with one of the most popular names, Friends Recruitment and Immigration. This agency is well known for connecting overseas candidates to New Zealand's agriculture and dairy sectors, but they also help with other industries like construction, trades, and general labor. Who they are. Friends is both a licensed recruitment agency and an immigration service provider. That means they not only help match candidates with employers, but they can also help with your work visa and immigration paperwork. Their website is www.friends.co.nz. I put the links to all the websites mentioned in this video in the description. How they help overseas candidates. Friends recruits from outside New Zealand. They have a special process for people who are not currently living in New Zealand. They match overseas candidates with accredited New Zealand employers who need workers urgently. This is especially common for farm workers, dairy assistants, machinery operators, and seasonal laborers. How to use their website. 1. Use the link in the description to go to their website. 2. Find the Search Jobs section. 3. Use the search bar to find your preferred type of work. You can filter your search by location, position, and industry. 4. You can also use the Contact Us button to send them a message concerning your immigration and recruitment needs. 5. If you're shortlisted, Friends will guide you through the next steps, which may include interviews and documentation for your accredited employer work visa. Friends is one of the most straightforward agencies for overseas workers because they specialize in matching people directly to employers who can sponsor visas. Quick one, if you're finding this video helpful so far, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Travel Assurance NZ, and share it with anyone who's planning to move to New Zealand. It really helps the channel grow and keeps me bringing you updated information like this. Now, let's move on to the second recruitment agency on the list. 2. Te Watu Ora, Health New Zealand International Recruitment Centre. Next on the list is Te Watu Ora, Health New Zealand. If you're a nurse, doctor, healthcare worker, or medical technician, this section is for you. Te Watu Ora is the official government healthcare organization in New Zealand. They manage public hospitals and healthcare services across the country. Who they are: they operate an international recruitment center, which is specifically designed to help overseas healthcare professionals move to New Zealand. Their website is tewatuora.gov.nz. How they help overseas candidates: Te Watu Ora directly recruits international healthcare workers. They help with relocation, registration with the relevant New Zealand medical boards, and visa sponsorship through accredited employers. These are official government roles, so you can be confident they are legitimate. They're always looking for registered nurses, midwives, physiotherapists, medical laboratory scientists, and other allied health professionals. Use the link in the description to go to their website and fill in an expression of interest form. Look for the Current Vacancies section. This lists open roles for overseas professionals, nurses, lab techs, physiotherapists, etc. Click a job listing that matches your profession. Read the detail carefully. Check whether it mentions that visa sponsorship or immigration support is offered. Use the Apply Now or Inquire button to register your interest. You'll usually have to upload your CV, qualifications, proof of registration, if required, and maybe complete an online application form. If shortlisted, Te Watu Ora's international recruitment team will contact you. They will help you through the next steps: credential verification, interviews, and visa sponsorship, often via an accredited employer work visa. Throughout, use the contact or help page to ask questions like, will the employer sponsor my visa under the AEWV? This is one of the best and safest routes for healthcare workers seeking sponsorship jobs in New Zealand because it is part of New Zealand's public health system. 3. Working in New Zealand. Our third agency is called Working in New Zealand, and they specialize in helping international candidates relocate to New Zealand for work. Their website is workinginnewzealand.com. Who they are: Working in New Zealand is a global recruitment and immigration company that has been helping foreigners move to New Zealand for over 20 years. They handle recruitment, visa processing, relocation assistance, and employer accreditation support. Their clients include both skilled and semi-skilled workers in construction, engineering, healthcare, hospitality, and agriculture. How they help overseas candidates. This company focuses on connecting overseas candidates directly to New Zealand employers who are accredited and ready to sponsor work visas. They often organize international recruitment campaigns and virtual job fairs, which you can join from your home country. Use the link in the description to go to their website. On the visa section, you'll see categories such as work visas, student visas, residence visas. Click Work Visas to learn which visas allow employment and sponsorship. The site offers a free Move to NZ appraisal form, where you fill in your skills, profession, experience, and the website evaluates your eligibility for visas and matching jobs. If you're eligible, one of their licensed immigration advisors will be in touch to have a chat about your options. The site has a global team of licensed immigration advisors who help you through visa types and job matching. You can as well use their Contact Us links to speak with them about visa sponsorship roles. Working in New Zealand links job listings and visa support together. When you click Jobs from the menu, it connects you to opportunities that align with visa pathways. Their visas page highlights the green list occupations. These roles have more direct or favorable residency or visa pathways. If your job is on the green list, many employers will be more willing to sponsor you. Working in New Zealand has a strong reputation and has worked with the New Zealand government in organizing overseas recruitment programs. Tips to succeed with recruitment agencies. Now that you know the top 3 agencies, here are some important tips to help you stand out and increase your chances of getting a sponsorship offer. 1. Prepare a strong CV and cover letter. Highlight your experience clearly and keep it simple. Use bullet points and mention your specific skills. 2. State your visa goal. In your application or cover letter, clearly say you're looking for an accredited employer who can sponsor you under the AEWV program. 3. Apply for realistic roles. Apply for jobs that truly match your skills. For example, if you're a nurse, apply for healthcare roles, not construction. 4. Be responsive. If a recruiter contacts you, reply quickly and professionally. This shows you're serious. 5. Check your English skills. Most roles require good English communication. If necessary, take an IELTS or TOEFL test. 6. Be patient and consistent. Sometimes it takes weeks or months to hear back, especially if you're overseas. Keep applying and improving your CV. Remember, official recruitment agencies will never ask you to pay money to get a job or visa. Their services are free for job seekers. So, those are 3 official recruitment agencies accredited by Immigration New Zealand that can connect you with real sponsorship jobs. Each of these agencies works closely with employers who are licensed to hire migrants under the accredited employer work visa system. If you follow the steps I've shared, prepare your documents carefully, and apply through the official channels, your chances of finding a New Zealand job with visa sponsorship will greatly improve. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video with others who are also searching for sponsorship opportunities in New Zealand. I'll be sharing more videos on New Zealand visas, jobs, and migration tips, so make sure to turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching Travel Assurance NZ. I'll see you in the next video.